Number 2026, nee. Ek is hier by Foton. Is hierdie 'n actual, hoe sê hulle in Engels, 'n serious contender, nee. Ek praat hier met Kieran, hy gaan my 'n bietjie meer vertel. Hoe doen hierdie bakkies die afgelope tyd? En as jy na Nampo toe kom, dan moet jy dalk net gou hier draai kom maak. Kom ons luister. Hoppa, so Kieran, like it?
Yeah, very good, thanks.
No, good, thanks. Okay, listen, Foton, before we get into it, just give me a little bit more background about the brand and who are you guys exactly?
Okay, so Foton's been around in South Africa. We've been retailing since July 2024.
Yeah.
We have a strong position in the market at the moment. We currently have 5,000 vehicles on the road. We've been selling now for the last 18, 19 months. We're doing very well in the market, and the reason being is we offer bang for buck. So we understand that every customer in the market at the moment is very price sensitive. So what we offer is an affordable option where you still get the great quality, great performance, but you don't have to part with double the price. So we are offering you a great product in the market that you can get for an affordable price, but still you don't skimp on all those awesome features.
Wat is die beginsel agter? Wat is die Foton resep as ek dit so kan stel? Want ek weet baie van die bakkies is 'n 2 liter diesel en wat is die basiese beginsel agter die resep wat die ding maak werk?
So, can I pause there?
No, you can, yeah, well, was I talking English?
My Afrikaans is very limited.
No, but you can talk in English, don't worry.
Okay.
So what's the basic principle? What's the recipe that makes Foton work?
So what makes us work is that our fuel economy is very, very good. So even while the vehicle has a nice big 2 liter engine,
Yeah.
and this is actually a hybrid as well. So the fuel consumption that we see that you average here is around about 8 to 8.3 liters to 100.
Yes.
But however, our head of sales and marketing did a trip, and believe this, from Joburg all the way to Durban, his fuel consumption over those 534 kilometers was 7.6 liters to 100.
Jeez.
And he doesn't have a light foot.
And that's a bakkie.
Now, that's a bakkie, and a big bakkie at that.
Yeah. And listen, yeah, and I must say, I love the styling on these things. It's really, and because usually if you go like, okay, cool, you know what, I'm going to go a little bit cheaper, then, yeah, you sacrifice on the looks. But you guys didn't go that route.
100%. And that's what we said. We want to give South Africans today that affordable option where you don't skimp on looks or interior or quality. So we've got it all. When you jump inside here, you've got
Yeah.
the nice comfort.
Is this one open?
Yeah, it's open. You've got the nice comfort of an SUV, but however, it's still a bakkie.
Yes, maar die ding is nice binne, né? Jeez.
So from the interior space, and I'll tell you something interesting is that I was driving one of these 2 weeks ago and I bought myself a 65-inch TV, and usually people have the decision to make. Do you put it in the front or do you put it at the back?
And not stop at the stop street.
Exactly. Believe it or not, it fits here. So the height on that TV box, and
Yeah.
TV boxes are quite big, it fitted from the bottom to the top, which is about 900 centimeters. And then also across, it was also about 1.3 meters.
Jeez, and it fitted inside. Maar jy kan
100%.
sien, hè, hier's 'n klein huisie vol spasie binne in hierdie bakkie, né? Ek bedoel, daar is ek nou eers halfpad met hierdie ding. En dit is binne dit se power socket ook hier aan die agterkant. So ek kan sommer 'n built-in inverter. So it's got a built-in
Yeah, we got
inverter
a
here.
built-in inverter. Let me open the other side there.
Dis awesome. Wag, ek hier kyk. Ek dink dis regtig ver hier af nie. Ek moet ver buig. O, okay, dan.
And if you have a look,
Daar's die plug.
if you lift up here, you also have a whole load of loading space at the back here. So it's very versatile in the sense of loading whatever you need. If you want to put 5 cooler boxes in the back, you can.
Yesterday. En ek meen ek hou van die afwerking ook, nê. Die goeders is regtig, hy's baie mooi afgewerk tussentyd. Dis regtig 'n nice plek om te sit hierdie, nê. En okay, en dan kry jy al die bells and whistles wat jy sal verwag.
All the bells and whistles
on a
on
top
your
range
huge
bakkie.
screen over here. All your ADAS systems, lane departure warning systems, blind spot monitoring, driver fatigue systems. We've got it all. So as we said, while you're paying a great affordable price, you're not losing out on any quality or great features.
You see, but just hold on, here's the test, just hold on.
How solid is that?
And the door is solid, and even with that one open, eh? I'll say, yesterday. Okay, and this one I see it's got a bietjie, sê hulle, bietjie meer rugged tires. Ek weet nie of hy ander suspension of hoe werk hy nie.
Yeah, so the guys opted to go for different tires on this.
Yeah.
But the tires that come standard, if you can see on one of our other ones, are still very, very strong and performance tires.
Okay, and then you've got let me just get a styling one. This is the V7.
This is the V7,
Yeah.
that's correct.
So this is the one that looks more, which type of styling does it got? That one looks like the V9 looks like a Dodge, ne?
Yeah, so the V9 they actually say is a more rugged style,
Yeah.
and the V7's more refined.
The V7 is more refined one.
So you've got rugged and refined.
And then you've got let's call it the lekker, the workhorse, ne?
That's it.
That's a G7, that's not the G series.
So believe it or not, this is one of the most affordable buckies in South Africa at the moment.
Yeah.
Starting price on this, believe it or not, is only 399,000
What?
for a brand new bucky, which
For a
is
double cab?
For a double cab, and that comes with a 5-year, 200,000 warranty and a service plan also included.
So jy's gesorg vir 200,000 kilos.
100% on your warranty, and then the services would be 3-year, 50,000.
En kry ek om met single cabs ook, laat ek
100%. If we move on and have a look at one of our single cabs over here,
What is this single cab? Wag, ek het hierso. Sorry, I'm still figuring this camera out. It's new one, julle moet maar bear met my. As hy single cab.
so here we have single cab, also one of the most affordable options on the market at the moment. As you see it, excluding the canopy, you can get this for 330,000.
En plain eenvoudig, niks naaksigheid binnekant nie. Proper workhorse.
And this is a 4x2, but we've also got a 4x4 option with cattle rails, with mags, leather seats, interiors, which actually appeals to the farmers.
Exactly, want
So-
dis die tipe van goeders wat ons soek daai.
And as you see while we're walking around here, we've got a full range of commercial vehicles, we've got trucks, we've got everything. We've basically got a price point in the market from 200,000 all the way up to our trucks. So whatever you need, your business needs, if you need a truck, you need a panel van, you need a bucky, you need something for the farm, we've got you covered.
Ek wil net as ek hierdie storie reg opsom, né? Yes, these things are luxurious inside and so forth, né? Maar dit lyk of julle baie meer 'n maatskappy is wat gefokus is op ruggedness en om die werk gedoen te kry as op die nitty-gritties. Is ek reg as ek dit
That's
sê?
100% right. So whatever you're looking to do, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking to take it off-road, to take it on the farm, to put it through its paces, we've done all the testing that needs to be done, and we know that we've got the product for you.
I've got another question,
Yeah,
né?
okay.
Daai elephant in the room, né?
Yes.
Nou jy kan maar vir my sê warranty en al die goeders, nou breek die ding, né?
Yes.
And then there's we haven't got any parts and whatever ook al. Hoe lyk julle aparte
No,
beskikbaarheid en al daai
100%.
goed?
So we've got a main parts facility in Pretoria, okay, which is a 10,000 square meter parts warehouse. We have parts that come in on the weekly. We've also got 65 dealers across the country. So no matter where you are, if you take a trip from here to Cape Town or to Durban or Kuruman or Kimberley, wherever you're going, we've got dealers covered. And if we can't fix the bucky there, then we'll also make sure that you've got one to get on the road so you actually are mobile.
Okay, so julle het nie in daai noem dit normale Chinese Indiese trap getrap van nee, julle het seker gemaak julle het parte.
100%. So while we are Chinese brands, we're South Africans looking after South Africans, which is the main
Love
thing.
it.
Because we're passionate about our brand and we don't want to offer something into the market to people and make sure that they're not covered. So we've got you covered.
Uitstekend. Kieran, dankie baie.
Lekker man. Yeah, I think
Right. Okay, so dit is Kieran hierso van Fouton, né? As jy hier inkom by Nampo, daai geel bel, né? So oorkant hulle is, duik jy by Fouton in of loop na die geel pad dan duik jy hierso by hulle in. Jy gaan aangenaam verras wees, kom klim in een van hierdie bakkies en check jy bietjie. Dis hier van Fast Spice af, tot volgende keer. Groete.